You know what I'm saying? It's plus forever, plus whatever you want to say, really. It can go either way, with or without it. She want the alligator Birkin bag. Chanel this, Chanel that, Hermes bag. Louis backpack with the shades match. She got a nice smile with the face mask. Folks was hating on me, but more than me. That's how I knew that I was gonna be what I was born to be. I ran me up a dub during quarantine. Detroit, Parliament, my little catch and play like 43. I heard the devil wear a Prada on rockin' gallery. Yeah, I came with the juice like a battery. Chain on my neck, worth a salary. But the way I'm acting, that's why they been mad at me. I put my trust in the game and it was good to me. I said charisma.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, 'cause
hi besties, welcome back to yet another amazing vlog. So from continuation of when I went to buy things from the grocery, so these are everything I bought and I'm just showing you guys a little bit of every okay loves. I hope you enjoyed today's video with me. It's few days stroke what I eat in a day, food I eat in a day, few days in my life. So here I've already prepped my green juice. So is it my starting up of a new week, so prepping my green juice, and then this one I'm going to use it to do pizza. Okay, then I bought some tomatoes, cooking it. I love cooking my tomato to store in the freezer. It lasts a lot for me, and these are how I prep things that I always use, okay, for the week. Here, tomatoes and then greens and my cabbage and everything I need. I leave it in my small fridge, okay, mostly more of my greens, my things I used to do my healthy living. So right here I'm putting in the green juice in the freezer, which lasts a lot for me. I'll put it in the freezer and I'll leave it there. I'll be drinking this every day, one either in the morning or the last thing I eat in the night. Okay, so this is what I am doing. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this big prep. And happy new year, guys. Today is the last video I'll be uploading for 2025. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. And this one here is my greens, carrots, and peas. Like, I slice everything, put it in the freezer just like this. It's going to last me a very, very long time. Yeah.
Say this and now, but I do what I wanna say. They can't make me hate you. They can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you? They can't make me hate you. They can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you? For you, it's on me. Baby, let's go uptown, get too many dreams. You move it up and down. I like what I see. She likes the way I talk in Spanish. Told her she's my bonita. I'll treat you like you're the only one I've ever known. Acting like you're parking, throw it back for me. I like it when you're barking, running off the lead. Finally in those better days. Around me I see celebrations, but that don't mean nothing to me, 'cause with you's where I wanna be. They can't make me hate you, they can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl, how could I hate you? They can't make me hate you, they can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl, how could I hate you? For you, it's on me. Baby, let's go uptown, get too many drinks. You, on me. When you move it up and down, I like what I see. Jubilee, plain Jane, rose gold, plain Jane. I spoil myself, I'll treat you the same way. I'll do anything for you. 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 I thought with $20,000 I was rich. I promised with 10 bands I thought I hit a lick. That shit ain't know the fuck I'm finna do with an M. That shit ain't know the fuck I'm finna do with an M. Yeah, I should've left that girl in magic. I walked in the club, I'm spending money, you can imagine. $1,000 hotel, sleep with stars under the mattress. 1,000 square feet. I got racks up in the pantry. I remember opening up and seeing roaches in the cabinets. Now we can go everywhere you wanna go, baby girl. I'm hacking to my South friends. I'm talking Amsterdam. I'm rocking Cheery. I'm out in New England. They can't make me hate you. They can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you? They can't make me hate you. They can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you? For you, it's on me. Baby, let's go uptown. Too many dreams. You, me. When you move it up and down, I like what I see. They can't make me hate you. They can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you? They can't make me hate you. They can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you?
That guy's not just an ordinary person. Hello. I'm here to see Lin Yu. What are you doing here? What bad luck?
Enjoying pizza. You can enjoy yours as well by eating this. Okay? Looks good. This is what I made for hubby and madam. This is their chicken and green pepper. Then inside the oven they have another one, meat and turkey. So yeah, all that too. Amazing. This one. This one came out today. Really sunny side. Yeah, Mama. Oh, it's adverts. You are vegetarians.
You used to rest your head on. How the hell am I supposed to see?